Right, show me your fit. Okay. Inasa, what's your fit? Fit check. Yes, I did. Fit check. Boom. Cause he gonna start twerking. Fit check. Wow. Okay, gorgeous. Who's my next victim? Maya. Show me your fit.
So right, listen, right. This is the pattern of the swimsuit, right?
Okay.
Then you got the shirt. Right? Where's the top?
Let me see it. Okay, skip y'all.
And then you got
birthday girl, birthday girl. Happy birthday to you.
And then she didn't tell me something.
No, let's stay. Turn around. No. That's not me twerk. Go back.
No.
We finally here. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go get away. Hey, ooh. About to go pick the spot. About to go to the beach. I've been waiting for this all day. The spot going fun. Bad. This quality is cooked. Got the canopy set up. Tea. This quality is pride. I know. Just like you. There's a seagull. Pool full of liquor. Come on, guys, jump in.
Oh, that big time.
Come on, guys. Woo! That is not that bad, y'all. That is not that bad. Y'all are being extra. Oh, that feels good. If y'all come in this water, act like y'all, it gonna kill y'all. How do you talk about in it? Ooh. Look at my girls. Playing in the water. Oh God, looking like she's hailing to the sun. Okay, so she's not Jesus. Oh, look at my lady. Okay, aesthetic. Ooh. Ooh, not the seagulls. Run. And then just you connected with her, and then I'll just be over here. Yay! Aesthetic. Dang, girl, good. Girl, my girl is good. Yes, ma'am. Look at that face card. Do not decline. Do not decline. Do not decline. She don't play. Say bye to the beach. Bye, beach. Gonna miss you. Oop, dessert place. Dubai chocolate. It's all pink. Whoa. That's so cool. You know, look at the mess they made. Let's have a friends with ice cream. Who made the mess? Who made everywhere? Who made that? Just King. Leah, move. I'm trying to get a picture. Sorry. Don't make me mad. Leah.